The Cooler Master Elite 301 PC case is a compact yet spacious solution designed to fit both Micro-ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards, making it ideal for minimalist setups. This case can accommodate large graphics cards up to 365mm, ensuring compatibility with high-end models like the RTX 5080 and RX 7090 XT. With support for a 280mm liquid cooler and up to 6 fans, the Elite 301 ensures optimal thermal efficiency for demanding gaming sessions. The case is designed to house CPU coolers up to 163.5mm in height and power supplies up to 160mm in length, providing flexibility for various components. 3 120mm ARGB PWM fans and a large intake grill ensure exceptional and unrestricted airflow, keeping your system cool under pressure. The fully black-coated exterior and included power supply unit cover create a clean and aesthetically pleasing appearance for any build.